Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to redeem coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to whatever item that you want to order. So let me find it in my wish list. So I need to proceed to checkout page. So I press Buy Now button at the bottom, then select a specific item that I want to order, tap continue, and this is order confirmation page, which is checkout page. So now I want to scroll down to section summary, and I see this line saved, and this is basically a discount that is basically done with my coins. So in order to redeem coins on AliExpress, you have to do literally nothing because it is being deducted automatically. So you can select whether you want to use your coins or you don't want to use any coins this time. So you don't need to do anything in order to redeem your coins. But here's one thing that you should always look for: items with the mention extra % off with coins. And what I mean by that, let me show you. I go back, and in the description of my item I want to scroll down to section extra 1% off with coins. So that means that this specific item will support my discount with coins. For example, if I go to some other item, for example here, I don't see that option. So that means if I go to checkout page, so I finally found item that does not support discount with coins, and if I go to checkout like I did earlier and scroll down to the summary, I will not see section saved because, again, as I said earlier, this item does not support this discounts with coins. So look for items that say extra % off with coins. So that's basically how you can redeem your coins on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon.